Hi, my name is Kathleen, and I'm going to take a minute to show you how to set up a research alert in one of the HACC databases. First thing you would do is select one of the databases from A to Z that we provide access to. I'm going to use Proquest Central because I know they have a lot of news articles, but they also have various education journals. I'll click through and do a search in the database first to figure out what type of articles I'm looking for or what kind of information I'm looking for. So I'm going to do TILT in quotations, transparency in learning and teaching, and adding that to community college. And I would like to find full text articles in the last 3 years. So when I click search, I get a list of 20 results, and I can peruse through these to see if they're the type of articles that I'm looking for. And if I generally find most of them to be helpful or adequate, I'm going to select this Save Search, Create Alert. And I would name my alert, whatever you want to name it. I'm going to set up my alert email. There's your subject. I don't need to send myself a message. I can include the search details if I want. I can include highlighting. Newly documents only, including historical items or not. Again, that's personal choice. And whether I want them daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm going to look at them weekly, send them on Monday, and I'm going to go at least 1 year on this alert. Another option is to send an alert even when there's no new documents. I do this just to make sure I'm not missing, that I haven't forgotten about the alert, but again, that's a personal choice, up to you. Create the alert. They'll send a test email to my account, and then each week I will get a message from the database including links to the articles, or there'll be a message that says there were no new articles. You can do this in any of our databases, EBSCO, ProQuest. You can create your own search, or if you want some assistance, you can meet with any of the librarians and we can help you create an alert. We can also help you create a journal alert so that when a new edition of a journal comes out, that goes directly to your mailbox. And we welcome working with you. Just let us know if you need any assistance with this. Thank you.